How to add posts to Instagram inspiration collection. In this video, I'll show you how to add posts to your inspiration collection on Instagram, a great way to save ideas, styles, or content you love. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Now scroll through your feed or explore page to find something inspiring like a quote, a photo, or reel, anything. Tap on it. Now right below the post, tap the bookmark icon on the right. Now a pop-up will appear. Simply tap on new collection and just write the collection name and tap on done, and you have just added it. And that's how to keep your favorite ideas saved and organized with Instagram collections. Scroll down and just repeat the same process. Tap on it and you can add on collection right here. Scroll down and tap on collection. You can also add on new collection. Tap on new collection and just type in inspiration and tap on done, and it will be added to your inspiration collection. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.